What's going on, everyone? Sal here with a quick video. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this. If this is your first time watching, please make sure you click subscribe. I got a lot more videos like this coming. Now, with that being said, look, my ultimate nemesis, Roku, is back again. And ladies and gentlemen, I've got a great non-directional way to trade this stock. Only way that I've traded Roku has been directional, either a call or a put, and it's been impossible to stay on top of this stock because every time I would play the call side, it would start to sell off. Every time I'd play the put side, it rallied like a motherfucker. Ladies and gentlemen, I've got a great way to trade this stock that's going to respect both sides of the trade for Roku, and I think it sets us up perfectly over the next 30 days. Now, you guys know I love the 60-day trade. We're going to go for 50% of max profit. I think that's just the way to go when we talk about non-directional, because there's just really no point of holding to max duration because there's just so much risk in the last 30 days. With that being said, we'll put the trade together. Let's focus on where we are right now with Roku. So we know that the stock is up over 300% over the last year, 56% since August. What got Roku here, at least over the for this summer, since the beginning of August, was the fact that the earnings report showed that Roku isn't losing as much money as people thought that they were. Now, Roku still isn't profitable year over year, but I mean, the ability to show that you were able to cut losses almost by 50%, that was incredible. A lot of people drove into the stock, shorts got caught off guard, and this thing went like a missile higher. So Roku, insane gains over the last 35 days, but we did get a losing week in Roku yesterday, and I think we're going to start to see Roku now trend sideways for a while here, and it could very well stay beneath 175 for the next 30 to 35 days. And that's why I want to put this trade together and show you a great idea for you to trade in Roku. So let's put the trade together. What I'd like to do is sell the 210 over the 215 and then sell the 110 put over the 105 put. This is an iron condor. That's the only way I trade right now because it keeps winning for me over and over and over again. This locks you in between 105 and 215. So it plays the breakout just in case that happens, but more importantly, plays and protects us to the downside. Now, put this on pause if you need to see it again, but I'm going to hide it for just a second because I want to show you something here. Roku, at every earnings announcement, it gets the big push and then keeps going. It rarely comes back to where the earnings announcement price, right? You got to go back to November of 2018 to see that happen on the weekly time frame. So am I being a little bit sensitive by putting you all the way back to 110? Probably. And some of you guys are going to come up on that. But I just, never say never, because you never know how these things goes. We've got a Fed announcement tomorrow. I don't think that's going to have a lot of effect on the stock, but you never know because we are doing this non-directional play on single stock risk. Who knows what could be happening at Roku that could affect the stock over the next 15 to 30 days. So with that being said, I think you put this in the current November 15th time, which is 59 days away, option, So with 59 days on this trade right now as we speak, probably 58 by the time some of you guys watch this or less, that 215, 210, I think is going to lose incredible amount of value over the next 30 days. That's value that you can put in your pocket. So again, selling the 210 over the 215 on the put side, selling the 110 over the 105. Again, I'll mark the chart just to show you guys visually where this border lines in at. Again, max profit is at 1230, right? Again, just 10 on each side. This is not a very expensive option. You can use more, you can use less depending on how much you guys have in your trading account and your preferred allocation. All right, so I like to go just 10 on each side because I don't go all in on any trade. Right? So let's go ahead and put this together for us. And I'm going to put this together. We're all the way at 215. Again, just get close. And I got you down protection at 110. Oh, we don't want to hide it. I'm going to drag this at 110. All right. Can I get closer? All right, that's close enough. All right. Monthly chart actually probably be a good way to show this. There we go. So 215 and 110 here on the monthly chart. This is basically where I want to get us into, and I think that's where we're going to be. I think over the next 30, 35 days, that's where Roku is going to be. I don't see Roku coming back down to below 110, but I don't see Roku going above 215. So, ladies and gentlemen, I think this is a great opportunity for you to take advantage of Roku where it is right now. This is a beautiful opportunity for you to take advantage. So, fine. They want to get us back to 160, 165, 170. I'm cool with that. We still win at 50% of max profit if we stay into this trade. A lot of guys get scared on the last, first couple days or so because they're not used to it. You just have to allow this stock to trade over a period of time. You're going to realize stocks really, for the most part, especially after a huge run, up or down, when they start trending, they don't go very far. So this is an opportunity to take advantage of those really fat puts that have been able to gain a lot of value due to the run in August. Now they're going to start to lose value over time. That's value, again, you can put into your account using this trade. This was an awesome trade to do 5-10 days ago, but this is an opportunity for you to take advantage of this right now because again, this is a stock that I believe will be trending sideways for a period of time between 140 and about 175. I love this. This is a great opportunity to play it. I can't wait to look at this video 30 days, 35 days from now and see that we won real nice in Roku. It's your boy Sal. Again, any tickers that you're looking to do something like this in, please put it in the comment section. We're looking for tickers that have, high cap, right? We actually want them to be companies that trade, that are very liquid, that have solid volume when it comes to the options strikes, and, can make us some money, can really make us some money, that have decent implied volatility that will make us some money. So it's your boy Sal. Again, I'm out. Trade well. Take care.